What's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a much needed, much deserved self-care night. So I went to Ulta and I picked up a few things, just 3 items y'all, but I ended up spending $44. Can we get into like how much things are now, like how expensive stuff is now? It's ridiculous. But anyways, first things first, I picked up some Korean skincare, y'all. I love Korean skincare. You just feel so fancy using it. But anyways, I picked up this sheet mask set, all right? So this is what the packaging looks like. And it has tea tree, there's a vitamin E mask, there's a collagen mask, there's a retinol mask, and there's a hyaluronic acid mask, all right? So that's that. Then I picked up the Neutrogena Stubborn Acne treatment. So I've heard a lot of good things about this item right here, and so I'm gonna try it out. I believe that you only use this in the morning time, and I'm currently filming this at night, so I will not be using this product in this video, but stay tuned because I will be trying this product out and I will be reviewing it, all right? And the last thing I got is the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Face Cream. All right, so I think you use this in the morning time as well. So I sadly won't be using this tonight. Well, I might, I don't know. But just to try it out, because I've never tried this before. And I think it would be a whole vibe, mood, everything to use this after a nice face mask, because I will be popping out one of these face masks in today's video. So I think I will use this e.l.f. face cream just to see how my skin is feeling, you know? So without further ado, let's go to my bathroom and let's start this self-care. All right, y'all, so we're in my bathroom, and first things first, we're gonna start on preparing my hair for bed, all right? So I'm gonna oil my scalp with the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Oil, all right? So I don't know if y'all know this or not, but this oil has gone viral and everything on the Tiki of the Talk. I had to re-up on my oil while I saw it, in case it gets bought up again by everybody. So my scalp is all nice and oiled up, giving myself a nice relaxing scalp massage. Now, so this is what I do, y'all. I band my hair with silk scrunchies, all right? So shout out, first of all, shout out to Chloe Yasmin, because she put me on to these silk scrunchies. And these scrunchies have been a complete and total, utter lifesaver for me. So I want to show y'all how I band my hair, because it's everything. I'm going to take out a few scrunchies, and I'm just going to take a section of my hair, take it and put it in a little ponytail, and then go down the strands of my hair with another silk scrunchie, and then take another silk scrunchie and go down the rest of my hair with that. And this is how I preserve my hair, y'all. This is how I keep my twist out looking somewhat decent throughout the week. So I am going to band the rest of my hair, and I'll get back to y'all in just a second. All right, y'all, so I'm back and I'm almost done banding my hair. So I wanted to explain why I band my hair. I basically band my hair to stretch my hair out in a heatless way, especially like if you first take down your twist out or your braid out or something like that. This is a really good way to preserve your curls and your hairstyle and everything. So I am a huge advocate of banding your hair, but I would not suggest doing it like with a black rubber band or, you know, one of those black hair ties or anything like that, I would suggest using silk scrunchies, because silk scrunchies is best for your hair. It keeps your hair from getting like overly frizzy. And now, yeah, you'll look crazy at night. Oh yes, you will look crazy at night. It's good for your hair. It protects your hair. It stretches your hair. And it preserves your hair until your next wash day. So I would highly suggest doing that. But make sure you oil your hair first. And the oil that's still on your hands as you band your hair, it gets on the strands of your hair. So, you know, you're nourishing your hair and you're loving on your hair all at the same time. So, who can beat that, you know? So I'm just going to take a random oil I got. I used the Mael already. So I'm just going to take this little chibi oil or shea oil or whatever, flaxseed and shea oil that I got from Target about a year ago. This oil is so good, y'all. Do not sleep on this Hollywood oil, okay? Don't sleep on it. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this oil and just run it along my scalp real quick. You know, gotta get the edges, gotta make sure, you know, we got our edges intact, and just run it through your scalp, your exposed scalp, may I say, real quick. And like I said, I think I said this in a previous video, but I oil my hair dang near every night, okay? I really do. Some people say it ain't good for you, but I love it. My hair loves it. And I wash my hair faithfully every Friday, so it really don't affect my hair at all, to be all the way honest. So the next thing I'm gonna do in my little self-care, loving on me night, I'm gonna hop in the shower, take a nice, hot, relaxing shower, and then I'm gonna do my skincare. So I'm not gonna show myself in the shower or anything like that, but I do want to show y'all the products that I'm using for my shower. So my fiance and I made our own bar soap, so I will be using my own bar soap. All right, so that's already in my shower. Y'all see that little pink bar soap right there? Yes, so I will be using that. It's very moisturizing. So I'm going to be using my bar soap, but the first thing I'm going to go in with is my Dr. Bronner's. Y'all, I swear by Dr. Bronner's. I swear by Dr. Bronner's. It gives you such a deep clean, all right? And this soap lasts so long. It lasts so long, y'all. I swear by this stuff. So what I do first, I go in with my Dr. Bronner's, cleanse my whole body with this soap, all right, because it just gives you that deep clean. Then I'm going to restore the moisture back to my skin by using my bar soap, all right, because that has coconut oil and olive oil in it. So I'm just going to restore the moisture back to my skin. Or I can also use my Dove body wash, but I'm not using my Dove body wash tonight. So I'm going to do my Dr. Bronner's, do my bar soap. Then I'm going to clean my downstairs area with, again, Dr. Bronner's unscented baby soap. All right, telling y'all, it gets the job done. It gets the job done. Also, I'm going to shave my legs. So I got my razor right here. I'm going to shave my legs. I'm going to first off go in with my Tree Hut body scrub. So I'm going to exfoliate my legs first. And then I'm going to go in with my Dove body wash. Y'all, when I say you do not have to spend the money up on actual shaving cream, you really don't. All you need, really, is a body wash. And y'all, I promise you, exfoliate your legs first, lather on a good moisturizing body wash, and then shave your legs, and you are good. You are good to go. You are good to go. I would sleep on that way of shaving, but y'all, I love it and I will never go back. So that is going to be my shower routine for the night. After I get out the shower, I'm going to come back to y'all, and then we're going to get all freshened up. I'm going to do some skincare. I'm going to show y'all what body spray I'm putting on tonight, what lotion I'm putting on tonight. And yeah, I'll be back to y'all in just a moment. Alright y'all, so what y'all just saw is me washing my face. So while my face finished drying naturally, I'm going to go ahead and do some oral hygiene. So I use the Colgate Optic White. I love this toothpaste. Then I'm going to scrape my tongue with my tongue scraper. And then I'm going to finish it off with my TheraBreath mouthwash. Alrighty, let's get started. Alright y'all, so my mouth is all nice and fresh and clean. So now we're going to get into the fun of it all, which is now my skincare. Let's get into it, y'all. Alright y'all, so we're going to be doing the hyaluronic acid sheet mask on tonight. So I just want to give y'all some information about the sheet mask. It says on the packaging, it is hydrating, replenishing, rejuvenating. It super hydrates the skin, plumping the skin and helping to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Skin takes on a healthy glow and youthful radiance. So let's look at the instructions, shall we? So the directions say cleanse and tone the skin. So we're going to use the ordinary toner. Y'all know the toner that I like to use. I'm going to take my cotton round. Alright y'all, y'all see all this dirt that came off my face? That's the importance of having a toner, y'all. So step 2, take out the mask from the packet and place it on the face. Step 3, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and relax. Say less. Y'all ain't gotta tell me twice. This is what it looks like coming out of the packaging. One thing I love about sheet masks is that they're so slimy. They're so slimy, but they be feeling so good on your face. Like, I'm telling y'all, if y'all want a spa experience, but you don't have the spa budget, go to the store and buy you a sheet mask. Like, they're literally just a couple of bucks at most stores. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna let this mask sit on my face for 15-20 minutes. I might push the limits and let it sit on my face for about maybe 25 minutes, depending on how fast this thing dries. I will be back with y'all once I get ready to take this thing off. Alright? Alright. Alright y'all, so I'm back. Gonna take this mask off. Oh my gosh, like this is my favorite part because the sensation is just so satisfying. So, what some people may or may not know is you're not supposed to wash the residue off. You're supposed to really just leave it on. So that's what I'm gonna do, and while I'm letting the residue and everything dry on my face, I am going to now moisturize the rest of my skin. So I'm going to moisturize with my Snowflakes and Cashmere body cream and my coconut oil. So I'm going to moisturize my legs with my coconut oil because I did shave my legs in the shower. So because my legs are freshly shaven, I'm going to take some coconut oil and add some moisture to my legs. And y'all, I love coconut oil. Coconut oil just has that natural coconutty smell to it, and it just gives everything that needs to be gave. Like sometimes I'll just put coconut oil on at night and call it a day, and I still be smelling so good. So sometimes that's really all you need. Like this sometimes is all you need. So yes ma'am, I love me some coconut oil. So now I'm gonna go in with my Snowflakes and Cashmere body cream to add a little extra moisture to my legs. Yeah, my face is feeling so good after taking that mask off. It feels so fresh and so hydrated. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all. So that's my tip. Every time you shave your legs, especially, put on some coconut oil first. I'm telling you, it makes such a difference. So this is the body cream that I used tonight, the Snowflakes and Cashmere by Bath and Body Works. So whenever I'm doing my self-care nights, I always try to smell really good. So I got my body spray and my matching body cream. So now I'm just feeling so cozy and everything. I just love it, y'all. So that's my scent for the night, and I'm